Hello everybody, my name is Misha and I'm 8 years old. Today I'm going to show you how I use whiteboard.chat. So let's say you want to put the number 6. So click in the middle of the box where you want to put the 6 and just type 6. Then it'll show it for you. And now you want to draw it, let's say. And then oops, you made a mistake. This is how you erase it. So on the toolbar, you say erase and drag on top of the thing that you want to erase. And go back, once you're done, go back to the draw, which looks like a paintbrush. Click on that and you get back to drawing what you want. Let's move on to the palette above. So click the palette, and there are stuff that you could choose. The arrow facing down, you click that on top. Then let's go to manipulatives. And let's say you want to do 115. But if you don't have any space, you could use you can move it and use 2 fingers and then move the mouse down. And now we have a lot of space. So here's the 100 block. So you select the 100 block and move it and then select it where you want it to go. Same for the 10 and same for the 1. This is a fast way to clone your stuff. So go to Infinite Cloner, but first you have to go to the toolbar, go to Infinite Cloner, and now you drag the cube where you want it to be, and then it will clone it for you. Now, let's go back to the pen. So say draw. And now, let's say 115, because that's the number that the teacher wanted you to write. Now, I'm going to show you how to make the pen bigger and smaller. So, on the bottom below, there is a dot and arrows. So you can, let's say you want to make it smaller. So you drag it back and it will be smaller. And to drag it, and you drag it more to make it bigger. Now, let's say you want to put dots. So click the one next to the dot and line. Click that and then draw. And once you leave it, it will become dot, dot, dot. And now let's say you want to highlight something. So you go to the second one, which is the dot and line. Put it right in the middle. It doesn't have to be exactly. And you could highlight what the teacher asks you to do. So the teacher's writing won't get messed up. Written over. And now I'm going to show you how to go to a fast way to go to the next page. So highlight the one or which page you are on, and let's say you want to go to page 8. So type page 8 and then it will take you there. You see it's blank. I'm going to show you how to resize it now. So let's say you want to resize animals. So click animals. And let's do a parrot. On the bar, there is a move and resize icon that looks like a pointer with circles. So click that. And there's a vertices here that you could use it to make it bigger. Or you can move it like this. Just drag it and move it where you want. And now let's make it bigger, the vertices. Okay, let's go back to the draw and let's say add webcam video audio. So you can name it. Let's say name it 1. So teacher, I need help. So then you could just teacher, I need help with my work. I don't know what's 15 plus 25. So the teacher will So save it, and there'll be something on the board, somewhere on the board. And you could hear it if it's...
Teacher, I need help with my work. I don't know what's 15 plus 25.
After that, you know it's great. And now you want the teacher to come. So on top, next to the palette, there's a raise hand. So you click that, and you could say raise hand or I finish. So I say raise hand, and then the hand will be raised to the teacher. And now you want to lower the hand because the teacher came. So just click the hand button again. Now, we could draw on the parrot, and once the teacher helps you, you don't need this, but you can still have it. That's all for today, everybody. I hope you like it. Subscribe and click the bell below. I will make another one if you love it.